videos.
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the scenic neighborhood of Cougar Ridge, located in the southwest quadrant of Calgary, Alberta. This charming community is nestled against the western edge of the city, offering breathtaking views of the Rocky Mountains and easy access to the natural beauty that surrounds Calgary. Cougar Ridge was established in the early 2000s. The neighborhood was thoughtfully designed to incorporate the natural landscape, ensuring that residents could enjoy the stunning vistas and green spaces that define this area. The name Cougar Ridge is inspired by the area's natural surroundings and the wildlife that once roamed the region. This connection to nature is a defining feature of Cougar Ridge, with numerous parks, pathways, and green spaces woven throughout the neighborhood. Thanks for watching.